BigCommerce use webhooks to communicate events that occur on a store, such as a new orders or update products. A previous era of software requires any customizations to be bundled up with the software and deployed as a single artifact. One benefit of such approach is that you could hook directly into almost anything that happens in the core product. However, the freedom to modify an option results in assuming responsibilities for the whole. With SaaS service such as BigCommerce, the core of product can't be modified. Instead, adopting a composition over inheritance approach, the functionality can be tailored to business needs by creating an independent service that interact with the platform's apps. Now they you can get under the hood. Saha service commonly deployed webhook, which are push notifications that communicate when a key operations has occurred so that an external service can act upon it. We can use it as the following cases: that for this app we want to be able to automatically assign products to relevant categories based on predefined conditions, such as add of sale category when a sale price is set, to avoid the need to regularly poll all products to check for updates. We can ask BigCommerce to set a webhook whenever a product is created or updated. This enables our app to re-evaluate whether the product sale price and add to remove it from the sale category. Creating the BigCommerce webhook. Continue with our use of case as an example. The first task would be to create a webhook requesting a notification for new products is sent to the public URL in our service or app. All requests for big service commerce app include this one, with need to be authentications by approving an app's keys in the XAuth token header. If you create a single click app, this APA key, as known as access token, will be provided as a part of authentication flow, alternatively manually creating an APA token. The destination's endpoint must be provided over HTTPs. Note that a separate request is needed for each scope you can be wished to register. So in this case, we would be send another one to store product updated. Matches the scope that you are subscribing to when creating the webhook. If you have chosen to specify the same destinations for multiple webhooks, then this can be used to different which events have occurred. This is a unique identifier but is no longer the primary way to identify the store. In single click apps, you will receive the store ID during the authentications flow, only the store hash. Therefore, we recommended praising the store hasn't have from the product and producer field in the webhook payloads. All the webhook payloads will provide a data type and IDs that confirms the entity type and the unique reference for the entity. Can be considered as a unique identifier for a webhook but can't be used to verify the payload create at producers. This field should be passed upon to the obtained stored hash to identify the store. In other requests, this field can something be referred to the context. NG Rock is fantastic